Our attempt at pulling down the building. Let's see what happens here. Oh, it's greasy out. Gonna have to get a run at it. I'm gonna back up. Oh, you moved it.
I did? Yeah. Awesome. This thing is gonna go.
Oh! Might have to get something a little heavier. I think he's just about got her coming down. Be careful. Oh. Wasn't so greasy out.
Comment? Yeah.
You got that whole wall down over there.
Yeah.
Just about. Is it?
Yeah, like rope sticking in the hole.
Oh man. Little spring cleanup on the home front. We were bored on this Sunday afternoon. Figured we'd tear her down. Oh. And he thought it was a good idea to use his lawnmower we created. Oh, it's so close. It's so close to coming down.
Are you serious?
Serious. What's going on with your chain here? It ain't slipping.
Is it?
Should be pulling tight on there.
Working or what?
Alright. Give her. It's slowly coming. Is it coming, Poot, or is it done? Well, I don't know what to say. We're gonna recalculate a strategy. We'll be back.